In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AVERAGEIF function. So the AVERAGEIF function is used to analyze averages using a single criterion. So our syntax equals AVERAGEIF, then we have a range, our criteria, and our average range. It works the same way as our SUMIF or our COUNTIF. So it returns the mean of the cells in range or average range that meet the criteria. So let's go over to our spreadsheet. So we're going to click in cell. First of all, we're going to click cell H12. We're going to click, first of all, we're going to do a plain old average. So we're going to insert function. We're going to search for average. There it is. Click OK. And our box opens. Function argument average. And the cells we want to pick, B5 to B16. So B5 to B16. Click OK. So our average list price is $232,719. Now here's where average ifs come in. So they want to average days on market for properties listed over $200,000. So listed. So our listed column is our column B. So we're going to put insert function. We're going to type in average if. We find it in our list. Click OK. And our range for average if. We want to put B5 to B16. The criteria we're looking for is greater than or equal to 200,000. The average range we're going to select F5 to F16. So the average days on market for the properties listed over 200,000. So we're averaging the days on the market, but we're applying the criteria to the list price that's in B5 through B16. Click OK. So our average number of days on market for the properties that are listed that are over $200,000, the days are 63.33. That's the average number of days. And that's how we do average if. There's still only one criteria. $200,000, but we're averaging the number of days. That's how you use that.